Considering relocating to Charleston, new construction homes offer a promising investment opportunity. Let's explore the benefits and considerations. Charleston's real estate market is thriving, with home values increasing 5 to 7% annually. New construction homes in areas like Mount Pleasant appreciate even faster thanks to modern designs and desirable communities. These factors significantly enhance resale value, making them a smart investment choice. Charleston's booming tourism and job market create lucrative rental opportunities. New homes with open layouts and smart technology attract both short-term and long-term renters. This strong rental demand ensures a steady income potential, making new construction homes a wise investment choice. New construction homes in Charleston offer low maintenance costs due to warranties and modern systems, reducing repair expenses for 5 to 10 years. This lowers investment risk compared to older homes, which often require costly updates. Consider these benefits when evaluating the overall investment potential of new homes. New homes may have higher upfront costs, especially with upgrades. It's crucial to consider your budget and the lot's location for potential returns. Premium lots, such as waterfront properties, often yield higher returns, making them a wise investment choice. Using my services as a realtor is cost-free for you. Builders cover my fees, simplifying your home search. Reach out to me to discover new construction homes with excellent investment potential. Together, we can find a property that aligns with your financial goals and maximizes your return in Charleston's thriving market. Investing in Charleston's new construction homes can build your wealth. Let me assist you in finding the perfect home. Together, we can make a smart investment in Charleston's real estate market.